You've got to see what my cat does. He might do it again, I don't know. But it's really weird. A minute ago, I got him to do it. Let's see if I can get him to do it again.
What's really weird about that is I don't even know where that bag came from. As a matter of fact, I was kind of shocked at how well it fit. Even, you know what I mean? So as I was filming my cat, I was thinking to myself, okay, it's not going to get any weirder than this, right?
He's not going to do it. There we go. It was a little bit of a quieter one, but he did it. He went, woo! Except for this time it was a little quieter. And if you guys are watching this, if anybody's watching this, like Charles or Corey, my cat is an Egyptian now, like Sparta. And his name is Tiger. You should have seen him this morning. I got him to cuddle with me. He was so cute. I'm going to try and make him a Mean Kitty fan. Let's see if I can get it. He's not mean though. He's a sweet little baby. He just eats the dog's food. But other than that, he's sweet. Alright. Peace out.